Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will be preparing chicken parmesan. It's so yummy. Stay tuned, y'all. Hey y'all, I am attempting to make chicken parmesan today. I am cleaning off my chicken by adding salt, water, and I'm going to let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm rubbing the dirt off, but I'm still going to let it sit. This is step one. Now the next thing that I'm going to do, I am going to take the fat off the chicken everywhere. I'm going to take all the fat off the chicken. That's the next step, okay? So now that we have all the fat off of the chicken, now we're going to cut them in half because we don't want it to be so big, okay? And I'm going to get this piece off. All right. And next we're going to use our season. I have some salt. I have some organic garlic powder and some pepper. And we're going to season it lightly. As you see, I did split the chicken breast. And now I have like 4 pieces. Because once the meat, now that's hard. Gotta find something else. Once the meat hits the heat, it expands. So we don't want our chicken breast to be too fat. And here I have some garlic pepper. So I'm just going to use a tad bit of this. And I'm going to season on each side. And I'm going to rub this in so the flavors can get inside of the meat. Together. And I'm going to let this sit for 5 minutes. Oh yeah, it's going down in the kitchen. It's going down in the kitchen. Oh yeah. This is also what you're going to need for your chicken parm is a mozzarella cheese and marinara sauce that makes it taste the best. Oh yeah, we're going to eat tonight, y'all. Now our next ingredients is 2 eggs with milk, flour, breadcrumbs. They are breadcrumbs seasoned with Italian season. And we're going to mix these eggs together. Like so. Next, guys, we're going to put this chicken in its rightful place. So we're going to use our concoction here, and we're going to soak the chicken inside of the egg batter on both sides. And then we're going to dip it inside of the flour. And so cover here. And so. And covered. Then we're going to go back in. And then this time, we're going to dip it in our breadcrumbs. It's going to be delicious. So our skillet is preheating. You don't want to put this in a cold grease. You want to make sure that the skillet is heating. Now we're about to add our chicken in, and we want it to fry 3 to 5 minutes on each side. See how it's cooking, right? And I'm only going to use 2 at a time. 2 at a time. Now we're going to do our pasta. We need salt. And then we're going to add the noodles. Put a little oil so it doesn't stick. And stir. And our chicken is turning out nice and pretty and golden. And then I'm going to put in the other 2 pieces or 3. Now this is what we're looking like. I'm about to put the marinara sauce on, guys, and we don't want to make it messy, so just enough to cover. I don't want it to be all sloppy. And I have my oven set at 350. I've been warming the oven for at least 15 minutes now, and this is the way I like my chicken Parmesan. And then I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese. And I'm also cooking some spaghetti with broccoli. So I'm going to put my cheese on top. Voila, like so. Like so. And so forth and so on. Am I all the way in this frame? Here you go. And one more, and we're good to go. I'm gonna pop these in for like 5-10 minutes inside the oven that I have already preheated, 350. So I'm going to drain the spaghetti. Voila. Easy peasy. Drain that spaghetti, y'all. Drain that spaghetti. Can you see it? Let's use this light here. Okay, and we're going to add a little bit of olive oil to that. A little bit of salt and pepper. Salt and pepper is here. A little bit of salt. And just a tad bit of marinara sauce. Not too much. We don't want to drown it. Boop, boop, and boop. Okay, that will be it. And then I'm going to toss it with my prawns. Like voila. Okay. That's what it's looking like. Not too much. Okay. Now I'm going to put me some broccoli in this frying pan. Sure am. Let it get a little hot. Now we're going to put some of this broccoli inside this pan. Salt and pepper in there. Don't forget to put the oil in. Add some salt, pepper. We got a little bit of red pepper flakes. And I'm going to add some cheese just to be a little spicy. Spicy. And then I will be done. There you have it, guys. So delicious. Thanks for watching. I even 8 seconds. Bye-bye.